This video is going to be about bull thistles. Is a bull thistle an angiosperm? Yes, a bull thistle is an angiosperm. Its life cycle. 2-year life cycle. It flowers and sets seed in the second year. Seeds do not last very long on the surface but can last for years in the soil. The seed germination usually happens in fall and spring. Flowering usually starts in mid-June to September. Plants can be self-pollinated or insect-pollinated. They do not grow inacidly and they do not have rhizomes. And the gymnosperm differs because it has two different types of cones, a female and male, and the angiosperm has male and female parts. Gymnosperm pollinates itself by wind moving the pollen to the female cone. The difference between the angiosperm's life cycle and the gymnosperm's life cycle are angiosperms are flowering plants and gymnosperms are organisms such as trees. Gymnosperms have two cones that are male and female. The female part is essentially the seed, and the angiosperm has parts that are male, called the stamen, and the female parts are called the pistils. In angiosperms, the pollen gets moved from the stamen to the stigma by insects, and in gymnosperms, the pollen gets moved by things such as wind and movement. In the angiosperm, the seed is enclosed, and the gymnosperm, the seed is on the surface. Gymnosperms usually have needles, and angiosperms usually have leaves. Angiosperms' leaves normally change color and die every fall, and gymnosperms do not. Why are angiosperms so successful in their environment? Angiosperms are successful in their environment because of their reproductive structures and processes, their vascular system, and their leaves. Within their reproductive structures and processes, there is seed production, the flower, carpels, and double fertilization. The seed is the main source of reproduction and dispersal of new life. The flower lures insects in, such as bees, who make pollination happen. The closed carpels ensure that the seed has a closed barrier to protect them so it is able to grow and mature. Double fertilization results in the production of the endosperm, a nutritive tissue that feeds the embryo.